It's she Will Kennedy, baby. And I don't consider myself to be a flashy person, but every now and then you gotta let them know. What you gotta let them know? That I definitely got a bankroll.
Call me ugly if you want to, but my bankroll very handsome. I don't jig up in the parties, cause my knot keep me from dancing. It's she Will Kennedy, baby. I'm all about the money. I fool around and make it rain, even if the day is sunny. Don't fix your lips to speak to me if it ain't about the guap. I'm stacking it to the ceiling, trying to make $1 million. I suggest you hide your daddy. I'm the type to snatch your father, especially if he got a bankroll. We can tie the knot tomorrow. Had your mama mad at me, said she finna get a lawyer. Join my team, baby, I'll be your favorite employee. The bottoms on my teeth, got my lips on froze. I refuse to take a picture without my bankroll. I got a bankroll. I love a bankroll. Stay taking pictures with my bankroll. Gonna flex with your bankroll.
So the ratchet trick she wanna steal, said listen here woman, I like to kill. Can't call the police cause I don't need your charge, so I dug a hole for in the backyard. Veteran in the game, call me Sarge. El Grande cause I do it large. My money old is getting sour, and it's dirty, nigga need a shower. Stupid how them purple flowers, I'm riding around in the Eddie Bauer. I'm going forward with the expedition. Me and my soldiers, we on a mission. It's classified so I can't mention how I got my bankroll, it's not your business. I'm a real boss, I make decisions, and I'm shooting precision.
I got a bankroll. I love my bankroll. Stay taking pictures with my bankroll. Gonna flex with your bankroll. And just for the record, no artificial money, no monopoly money, no play money was used during the making of this video. I'm out here talking jazzy and being ignorant, but that's just what it is. I definitely got a bankroll. Like Joe said, how I got my bankroll ain't your business. I be flexing in the mirror with my money like a gymnast. Jumped off stage, they like she will, you stole the show. No, that wasn't me, little babe, that was my bankroll. Suited and booted, Delmare Designs. I be cutting up the corner like I lost my mind. I take more selfies than the white girl with my bankroll. I take more selfies than the white girl with my bankroll. I got a bankroll. I love my bankroll. Stay taking pictures with my bankroll. Gonna flex with your bankroll.
It's she Will Kennedy, baby. Shout out to my brother Jill Seasons. That's 1 down, 2 to go. You don't have to like me, you don't have to love me, but you will respect my bankroll. Yeah, be sure to download the Neville.
Acting like you got a bag, boy, I know that you a buster. Ran off on the plug more times than Shanika, baby brother. On the standpoint, yeah, I know that you a sucker. Better quit cutting up and clowning for they end your baby mother.